Hi everyone! Today we are going to look at the Eisenhower Matrix. So the Eisenhower Matrix is a time management tool that helps individuals prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance, allowing them to focus on what matters most and avoid getting bogged down by less critical activities. So here's how it works. We have 4 quadrants. The first one, those are important and urgent. Those are tasks that are both very important and need to be done immediately. These are often crisis situations, deadlines, or pressing issues. Next, we have important but not urgent. So those are tasks that are important but not time sensitive. These include long-term planning, goal setting, personal development, and relationship building. In the third quadrant, those are tasks that are urgent but not necessarily important. Those are often distractions, interruptions, or other people's priorities that may not align with your own goals. And in the last quadrant, those are the tasks that are neither important nor urgent. These are typically time wasters such as excessive social media browsing, busy work, or trivial activities. So how can we implement it in real life? So first, identify all the tasks in your to-do list. Next, place each task into one of the 4 quadrants based on its urgency and importance. Third step, focus on completing the tasks in quadrant 1 first, as these are both important and urgent. Next, allocate time for quadrant 2 tasks to prevent them from becoming urgent in the future. And lastly, delegate or eliminate tasks in quadrant 3 and 4 whenever possible to free up time for more important activities. Thus, by consistently applying the Eisenhower Matrix, you can gain better control over your time, increase productivity, and achieve your goals more efficiently. It is a simple yet powerful tool for effective time management. Thank you.